All rise. Support court with Judge Van B is now in session. Judge's case number JVB 1084, Daniel's case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right, Mr. Clough.
Yes,
You're back, except today you're the petitioner. Looks like we found Mom.
Finally found her.
Okay, finally found her. What can I do for you today?
Well, Your Honor, I'm here to get some justice. I think it's time that I get back what I've been giving out.
What do you mean by that?
Money. I've been giving so much money and she hasn't even been here.
Right.
You know?
Well, before we really get started, are the kids in the car with the dog again today?
Kids aren't in the car, Your Honor. The dog got hit, so he's in a doggy wheelchair.
Okay.
So.
All right, well, I'm sorry to hear that about the dog, but the kids are fine.
They are, they're with the neighbor.
Okay, good. Just wanted to make sure. So.
Notice how the judge immediately pivots to ask about the kid's safety. That's not small talk, that's priority number one in family court. Judges want to establish that children aren't in danger while the adults sort out financial battles. It also sets the tone. This courtroom isn't here to entertain personal grudges or lifestyle drama. It's about the welfare of minors. Smart move by the judge to remind both parents that no matter how ugly things get, the focus stays on the children. What do you think? Does it feel like both parents are putting the kids first here?
What's been going on? I mean, it's been a few months since I've seen you.
Right.
So it looks like you were here. Back when you were here, they had a. Excuse me?
She just looking at me crazy.
I'll make it easier for you. You focus on me.
Right.
Don't focus. Excuse me.
Sorry, Judge.
Don't be sorry. Just don't do it. This is your first time here today. And if I remember correctly, you filed the lawsuit on him previously and had the audacity not to show up. So you definitely need to pipe down.
Okay. I chose money though.
Okay, well, you may have, and we're going to get into that and see how much money you probably are going to be paying on child support. But we want to. Oh my gosh.
You see? God don't like ugly.
Oh.
You know what? You talking about you?
God don't like ugly.
You know, this happens every now and then when the weather is bad outside.
No,
things happen in court.
And that evil
the weather
spirit
is bad
that she
outside.
You know what? Talk to the judge. Don't direct none over here.
Okay, what she just said is right. All right, but I'm not agreeing with you in the sense that, you know what I mean? Let me tell him to be quiet and talk to me only.
I got you.
All right, Mr. Clough, continue. So, as I was saying, it's been a few months. So the kids have been with you, looks like it's been about 7 or 8 months now.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So in this 7 or 8 months, has Mom been paying?
Have you been paying?
Well, no, that's not how this
hasn't,
works. That's not how this works.
She hasn't been paying.
All right.
She has not been paying.
Has she at least been visiting with the children?
She hasn't been.
Now, here's where things heat up. Dad drops the bomb that Mom hasn't been paying child support or even seeing her own kids, but somehow finds time to visit a boyfriend in jail. Think about that contradiction. In custody and support cases, courts look at not just financial responsibility, but effort and involvement. Showing up for a jailed partner but not your children, that's a detail judges don't ignore. Do you think this reveals her real priorities, or is Dad just spinning the story to his advantage?
To the children, but she visited that man in jail that she ran off with.
Oh, the one that was in the car that you really couldn't see?
Yeah.
The Cutlass. Oh, yeah, that's right, right.
He got arrested not too long after I saw you for the PPP loan. Is that correct?
No,
that's how she got
incorrect. That's incorrect.
She got what? What's that?
You know, from the last time. She got the booty in the booty.
What they call it something though?
Yeah, the BBL. She know.
Oh.
Why are you telling my business?
People need to know.
People don't need to know nothing. That's for the gram.
Anyway, Your Honor.
I mean, I wanted to know, but you know, we're not here for that. I'm not going to be petty. So, you are seeking to put Mom on child support.
I am.
All right. And health insurance. Who's covering? Well, I would assume she's not. Are you covering health insurance? Are they on Medicaid? What's going on?
Well, I wasn't at first, but I got a promotion at work.
This moment is telling. The father humbly mentions he's been promoted at McDonald's, now a manager, and can finally cover insurance for some of his children. While critics might laugh at the job title, legally speaking, this is powerful. evidence of stability. Courts love to see consistent employment, benefits, and proof that one parent is doing their best. It's not about the prestige of the job, it's about effort and responsibility. Compare that to mom's vague claims of being self-employed and influencing the world. Who do you think the judge is going to believe?
Right, congratulations.
I appreciate that.
All right.
I may be a manager at the McDonald's, so I'm making a little bit more, and I was able to put 2 of the kids on insurance, but not all of them.
Okay.
Just can't cover that many. So.
All right, so the other ones, what are they doing?
Well, my other job kind of covers that as well.
Okay, all right, so at least all of the children are insured.
They are.
All right, how much is that insurance total for the kids only?
On McDonald's or the other job?
No, just in total.
It's about $350.
$350, okay. All right, is there anything else you want me to know before I move over to her?
I think that's about it, Your Honor. Just ready to hold her accountable.
Okay,
Boy.
okay, Miss Daniels,
Yes, Judge. Sorry.
excuse me.
Judge, I'm sorry.
Are you here to be pretty, or are you here to tell me your side of the story as to why?
Here comes mom's side. And right out the gate she pivots to appearance saying, she's here to look pretty as well as fight the case. Huge mistake. Judges don't care about image. They care about evidence, income, and parental responsibility. And when she tries to backtrack to facts, she immediately leans on the past, saying she raised the kids for 10 years. That's valid history, but courts rule on present-day obligations. She's playing the wrong hand in this courtroom.
You shouldn't pay child support today.
A little bit of both, Judge. But I'm
not interested in whether you're here to be pretty or not. That has nothing to do with my ruling. You understand it, right?
I do, Judge.
All right,
But
so
I should be pretty for you.
Well, let's stick to the facts. I could care less how you look.
Okay, Judge. Let's get to the facts.
Please do.
The fact
and quickly, without all the extra.
Not extra at all. The fact is, Judge, I had these children for 10 years before I put them on your doorstep. He was barely doing anything. That's why I petitioned the court, Judge.
Okay, well, here's the deal. You petitioned.
Yeah.
He showed up. You didn't. I dismissed
I had
it.
an opportunity, Judge. Had to take it.
Okay. And could you do me a favor? Could you, if you're going, I don't allow gum chewing, but if you don't have anywhere to put it, I would suggest
Can I
you
swallow?
at least.
I'm good at that. Yeah.
Okay.
Now you see.
What?
Mr. Clough, Ms. Daniels, continue, please.
Well, that's why I petitioned the court. I do apologize for not showing up, Judge, but let me tell you, I came up. You know.
Oh, let's talk about this come up. What kind of come up we talking about?
Well, Judge.
And here it is, the jaw-dropping claim. Mom says she has 6 figures in the bank. Sounds impressive, but watch how the judge handles it. Courts don't deal in vague numbers or flexes. They deal in proof tax records, pay stubs, bank statements. You can't just say, I've got money, and expect the judge to buy it. In fact, claiming big money without backing it up can actually hurt you, because it suggests you could pay support but just don't want to. Viewers, let me ask, do you think she really has that money? Or is this smoke and mirrors?
I met a man who said he can change my life, Judge.
All right, so how financially, did he change this life of yours?
Not too much.
Oh yeah.
Mr. Clough.
I know.
Mr. Clough. We don't know. Let's hear her side of the story, because I'm pretty sure she's going to say some interesting stuff about finances.
Judge, Clough don't know nothing. Listen, understand that I got at least, 6 figures in the bank.
Oh, okay.
Had 6 figures in the bank.
You said what now?
Mr. Clough. Again,
Federale is gonna take
I'm
it.
not.
I put it
Excuse me,
overseas.
Miss Daniels. When I speak, both of you be quiet. Mr. Clough, there will be no more outbursts. Okay. I understand you both are frustrated. Emotions are high. But let me get through this hearing, okay? Because if I can't get through it, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna reset it. And I know neither one of you want to pay for court parking again, right?
I don't.
You don't want to take off your work, right?
Only one of us will be here.
Okay, but you want some sort of relief, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in order for me to do that, I have to hear the facts. Now, Ms. Daniels, again,
Yes.
continue.
So, like I said,
No, let me direct you really quick. You're getting ready to talk about these 6 figures you have in the bank.
I do.
All right, how much money we talking?
We talking about you know, 300-400. You know what I'm saying?
Bullshit. Sorry,
I said no more outbursts.
I was coughing. I'm sorry.
It's true.
It's your allergies.
Yeah.
Handle that. You
Handle.
need some tissue?
No. No, thank you.
Okay. Ms. Daniels, that's what you have in the bank. How much money are you making annually?
This is where the judge gets visibly frustrated. He asks a direct question, "What's your annual income?" And instead of answering, Mom deflects with stories of promotions and investments. Classic red flag. Judges hate vague answers, especially when they need hard numbers to calculate support. Notice how he finally cuts her off and forces her to give a range, $30,000 to $100,000. That's not just a range, it's a canyon. And the judge wastes no time locking her in at the high end. If you're wondering why, it's simple. Her credibility is shot, and courts lean conservative when financial responsibility for children is at stake.
Well, it kind of just depends on the year and how many promotions I get, how many companies want to invest in me. So it just depends. Anywhere between.
When are you going to answer my question?
Judge, it's a difficult question for me because, you know, sometimes I can have a promotion that's $500 or I can have a promotion that's $50,000 plus. So,
Ms. Daniels, you know I don't have a lot of time, right? I have other cases I need to get here.
I do understand that.
Right, so you obviously came here to waste my time.
I didn't.
You did, because I asked you a very simple question. On
Judge, I have a
average,
simple answer.
on average,
On average.
how much do you make in a year?
Judge, I'd like to say about, maybe about 30 to 100K.
Okay, 30 to 100,000?
Yeah.
So we just gonna take the high end so we can keep this moving, because you came here to waste my time and I do not have time to play with
Oh
you.
my gosh, Judge.
And is this from an employer or are you self-employed?
I
What do
am
we do?
self-employed.
All right.
I do influence.
What do you influence?
And here's the judge's hammer. She claims she influences the world, but he cuts straight through it. You clearly aren't influencing these kids. Brutal, but accurate. Courts don't care about social media clout, brand deals, or influencer hype if it doesn't translate into stability for the children. This is a wake-up call to anyone thinking lifestyle or image can outweigh parental duties. If you've got 5 kids, they come before followers, sponsorships, or cosmetic surgery.
I influence the world.
You clearly aren't influencing, you said the world?
The world.
Well, that doesn't include these 5 children because you don't even go and see them, right?
It's just been the last couple months.
Well,
okay?
no, excuse me.
Yes, Judge.
You're influencing everyone but these children that you do not have anything to do with and you do not financially support.
They're getting
You
hot
said
up
they
in here.
were with you excuse me?
It's hot. I'm
What
sorry.
are we doing here? What are we doing here?
It's getting hot. in
She
here.
trying to show you what she had
The BBL?
done. Yeah.
I'm not interested in the BBL. Let me tell you what I'm about to do. I'm about to make these numbers go BBL, okay?
Judge,
So,
Judge, can I speak briefly?
briefly, make it quick.
Quickly, in the last few months, it has been a downtrend due to inflation and all that stuff. People aren't paying as much.
How much was your BBL?
I didn't pay for that.
How much was
Daddy.
it?
Told
How
you.
much was it?
I mean, you know, I got more than the BBL. I had tube sock titties, so I got the boobies, then I got the booty, and then I got all that. So he probably paid 35, 40.
Did you catch that? Tens of thousands of dollars spent on cosmetic surgery, BBL, breast augmentation, the works while children go unsupported in family court. That's devastating testimony. It paints a picture of priorities skewed to personal appearance over parental responsibility. Judges often use these spending patterns as evidence of mismanagement. It's not about shaming the surgery, it's about showing where your money goes. And here, the judge is clearly unimpressed. What do you think? Fair judgment or overreach?
$1,000?
Yeah, he did.
Oh
though.
yeah,
I
let me hurry up and get you out of here with these numbers.
but I didn't pay
You are
that.
about to pay child support. You have 5 children total, or do you have other children outside of these 5 that are under the age of 18?
No, I don't.
Okay,
They're grown.
so just the 5 children, right?
Just
All right, so 5
yeah.
children, that is going to be at the 40%. And you said health insurance was about $350, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the pivotal moment. The judge takes her self-reported $100,000 income, deducts basics, and lands on $2,954 a month in child support plus reimbursements. That's nearly $3,000 every single month. Now here's the insight. Judges often take the highest number offered if the parent is evasive, because the burden of proof is on the one making claims. By locking her in at $100,000, the judge essentially says, "You wanted to flex? Now you can pay for it." That's a courtroom chess move, and she walked right into it.
All right. So your child support, you're looking at monthly. So with your testimony being on the high end of $100,000, that's what I just based your child support off of. So, I mean, well, I was going to make it higher than that and do it like the $350,000. Then that would make you cap out. But
I think you should do that.
well,
No.
I have to accept her testimony is true, but I don't really think that it's going to help her too much because her child support is still going to be pretty hefty. So I have your gross at $8,333.33. That brings your net to $6,512.07. So $6,512 times the 40%. That brings your child support amount to $2,604.
Is that a week, Your Honor? Or?
How often are you paid? Are you paid by the day? You paid by the month? How are you paid?
Judge, it just depends. I would.
She
say
just
no.
answered my question. That's a monthly amount.
I mean, that's
How
great.
she's
Monthly.
paid, it'll just break down, but the amount is $2,604 plus.
I could give you that.
Plus
You need it.
$350 reimbursement for the children, so that brings your monthly rate to $2,954.
I got it. Can the kids stay with him though?
That's right.
I got
The
something
kids
to do.
will continue to live with him because that's who they live with, and obviously
They can stay.
you care more about a BBL than them.
That's
Right.
not true.
And we don't know when she's gonna run off again with the next guy.
No, next guy. I'm good.
It'll be a caprice this time.
I'm good.
Oh, okay. So we're good with the numbers then. Is there anything
great.
further? All right, is there anything further that you want me to know that's related to this?
Judge,
And now the final twist. Visitation. Mom suddenly wants to negotiate time with the kids, but here's the kicker. Her availability doesn't line up with school schedules or basic parenting logistics. Judges look for realistic, consistent plans, not convenience-based requests. Claiming weekends are her busiest time and weekdays won't work just proves she's prioritizing herself again. And without reliable transportation, her case weakens even further. The judge is practically telling her, parenting isn't about when it fits your schedule, it's about making it work for the kids.
briefly about visitation. How does that work?
The kids are going to stay with him, and you guys are going to work that out at a
we don't get
different.
along very well, as you can see.
Well, obviously, but I mean, they need to stay with him and probably see you on weekends if you're so busy.
That's my busiest time, Judge. I can't do weekends. Maybe Monday to Tuesday.
Well, they go to school.
Right, and I'm at work.
Are you going to get them to school?
No.
I can't.
You can't get them to school.
She don't have a car.
You don't have a car?
She make all that
please.
money,
Oh, you a lie.
but ain't got no car.
You better go see the rose outside.
What kind of roses? I love roses. What color?
I just said rose, like rose gold color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
because I know we weren't talking about that other one. But
no, we're
anywho,
not
that's
good.
neither here nor there. Is there anything further, Mr. Cliff?
And there it is. Case dismissed. Dad retains custody, mom is locked into nearly $3,000 in monthly child support, and the judge has made it crystal clear. Parental responsibility is not optional. This case is a perfect example of how lifestyle choices, vague answers, and misplaced priorities can backfire in a courtroom. No matter what, the judge's focus is steady, ensuring the children's needs come first.
I think that's all, Your Honor.
All right. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
So what did we learn here? In family court, actions speak louder than words, or social media influence. Dad came in with stability, insurance, and consistency. Mom came in with excuses, vague claims, and a record of absence. The result: the court prioritized the kid's best interest and held mom accountable. Cases like this remind us that when it comes to child support, judges don't care about flash, they care about facts. If you found this breakdown as jaw-dropping as we did, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more explosive courtroom breakdowns. Until next time, stay sharp and stay tuned.